Hey everyone, welcome back to Wireless Solutions. In this video, I will show you how to enable theme icons on any Android. Auto color match. But before that, here's what we'll cover. How theme icons work. Enable icon color matching. Customizing home screen. So without further ado, let us get started. Step number 1. How theme icons work. Before we begin, let me first explain what theme icons are. Theme icons are app icons that automatically adapt or match the color of your wallpaper or theme. Instead of having colorful random app icons, your apps will have a more uniform and minimalist appearance. This feature became popular on newer Android versions through Material You design, or even using themes app and icon packs. Step number 2. Enable icon color matching. First, unlock your phone. Now locate and open the Themes app. This app is already pre-installed on your Android device. Once open, tap the search bar at the top. Now search for themes such as Monochrome, Monochrome UI, AY10, Donkey Cons, Black B10. These themes provide cleaner and more uniform icons that resemble Android theme icons. Now choose a theme that has minimal icons, monochrome colors, rounded or clean app styles. These themes are popular because they provide clean-looking icon packs for MIUI devices. Tap Download. Wait for the theme to finish downloading. Then tap Apply. Now here's the important part. Sometimes, applying the full theme changes your lock screen, control center, wallpaper, notification panel. So if you only want the theme icons, here's what you should do. Go to Themes, choose a theme, customize theme. Now select Icons. Choose the icon pack from the theme you downloaded. Then tap Apply. This allows you to keep your current wallpaper while only changing the app icons. Now let's make the icons blend better with your setup. Go to Settings, Wallpaper. Choose a wallpaper with soft colors, pastel tones, black and white, minimal backgrounds. The reason for this is because theme icons look much better when paired with a matching wallpaper. For example, blue wallpaper equals cooler icon appearance. Dark wallpaper equals more premium monochrome look. Beige or cream wallpapers give an aesthetic setup. Step number 3. Customizing home screen. To make your phone look even cleaner, long press your home screen. Then, remove unnecessary widgets. Reduce app clutter. Use fewer folders. Keep only your favorite apps on the main page. You can also increase icon size. Remove app labels if supported. Use a clean clock widget. Some Android users also customize icon backgrounds and shapes through home screen settings and themes customization. And that is how to enable theme icons on any Android phone. Auto color match. And hey, for disclaimer, features, themes, and customization options may vary depending on your Android device, MIUI version, and region. Some themes or icon packs may not work perfectly, and a few apps might still refuse to match the aesthetic and keep their original colorful icons. Also, after customizing your home screen, don't be surprised if you suddenly spend 30 minutes rearranging widgets instead of replying to messages. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please do like, share, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more smart Android tips and tricks. Got any questions? Please drop them in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope to see you in the next one. Bye for now.